Hello again, Deb here. This is a quick video to do a project share for hashtag Artist Trading Card Fun. I believe this was supposed to be for week 4, which would have been January 22nd, but I'm behind, and these are called moos. Now, this one is probably a little short for it, but a moo, according to Jean, is supposed to be 4.5 by 1.5. And then there's a mini moo, but I didn't make those yet. Well, yeah, no, they're skinnier and thinner and shorter. So these were off a masterboard that I had made in a previous live. And then I used a punch. It's a Stampin' Up! Punch. It might be retired to use to put a tab on the top because these were only 4 by 1.5, which is a little too short. So I put a little tab on the top, glued it down on the edges, put a little piece of washi on and more of the some of these Prima flowers in the darker pink, and then this is a piece of polished pink ribbon, which is a retired color from Stampin' Up! That I've had in my stash, and I just used a regular hole punch to punch a hole there. This one I didn't put a hole on it. I got the tab a little crooked. These are stickers. And on my live, I picked 2 out of here for here and here. And then afterwards, I decided, I was thinking I probably should have made that silver, but I took a little bit of this. These are both from Hobby Lobby stickabilities I've had for years. I might change this one out though and put silver in it. I'm not sure yet. I might just see if I have some silver washi instead. So that is what I did with those. I didn't put any words on them or anything. And they are blank on the back, so they can be written on and traded. I like them for tags or journaling spots maybe in a journal. So anyway, that's all I have for now. I just thought I'd share it if you want to well, if you want to watch me make them, it's not the actual masterboard part because I did that in a previous live and these were pieces offsets from it because I also made some cards which are not for Jean's collab, but these were the cards we finished on my live stream on January 30th using parts of the masterboard, and I still have more of it, so there will be more cards coming. Okay, guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.